In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate the ChatGPT Atlas app and select the account you want to use, all in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to this app or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. This app is a great tool for accessing a range of conversational AI features, and getting comfortable with its interface will help you make the most of its capabilities. Once the app is open, draw your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. It might be represented by a small avatar or your initials, depending on how your account is set up. This area is essentially your gateway to managing your user settings and preferences. Now, you'll want to give a click on this profile icon. A quick tap here will pull up a menu. This menu houses various options related to your account, vital for personalizing your experience. Once the menu appears, you should see a list of accounts you have linked to this app. The app allows users to switch between different accounts seamlessly, which is particularly useful if you manage multiple projects or engage in different work and personal activities through the app. Next, take a moment to review the list of accounts. It's always a good idea to double-check that all your needed accounts are listed here. Once you've identified the account you wish to use, go ahead and select it from the list. Simply click on the account name, and the app will make the necessary adjustments to switch your active session to this chosen profile. Selecting the right account ensures that your chats and settings are synced correctly and that you're continuing your work without any hiccups. Navigating between accounts in this way is designed to be frictionless, so you experience no downtime or unnecessary complexity. And remember, this particular step, choosing the correct account, is crucial for maintaining the flow of your work, especially if your accounts differ in their respective purposes and functions. That's all it takes. You've just successfully navigated the ChatGPT Atlas app to select your preferred account. This small but significant task is key to tailoring your experiences in the app, ensuring that every interaction and adjustment aligns with your current focus and needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, managing your accounts within the ChatGPT Atlas app should be a breeze. If you found this guide helpful, please consider checking out our other videos for more detailed instructions and tips on getting the most out of your tech tools.